Today we start with the fourth unit, and in that the first point is what is plant succession, causes of succession, and types of succession or kinds of succession. Plant succession, it is an orderly change of communities of plants, animals which occur over a period of time at the same place. It's called plant succession. Then the causes of succession. The main causes of plant succession or succession, they are climatic causes, topographic causes, and biotic causes. In topographic causes, there are two subtypes: erosion of soil and soil decomposition. First one, climatic causes. The plant cannot adjust with the long range variations in the climate. The fluctuating climate sometimes leads to the vegetation towards total or partial destruction, and as a result the bare area develops which becomes occupied by such plants as are better adapted for changed climatic conditions. Drought, heavy snowfall, hail, and lightning are some are the important factors for the destruction of vegetation. Sometimes new bare grounds formed by immersion of land from the bodies of water, that is ponds and river. These are the climatic causes. Then topographic causes. These are concerned with the changes in the soil. The following are two important soil factors which bring about changes in the habitat. First one, erosion of soil. Sometimes surface soil is removed by a number of agents such as wind, water currents, and rainfall. This process is known as soil erosion. In the process of erosion, new and bare area is exposed in which new plant communities begin to appear one after another. Then second, soil decomposition. It is one of the important causes that initiates succession. Soil deposition results owing to heavy storms, glaciers, snowfalls, and landslides. If the deposition of soil takes place over an area already covered with vegetation, the plants occurring over there may be suppressed and destroyed. Deposition results in a new bare area on which succession of vegetation starts. And third cause, that is biotic causes. Many biological living agencies also affect the vegetation in many respects. Grazing, cutting, clearing, cultivation, harvesting, and deforestation. All these caused by living agencies are directly responsible for vegetational change. The parasitic plants and animals also affect the vegetation and destroy it. This is all about the causes of succession. Next is kinds or types of succession. Depending upon the nature of bare area on which it develops, the succession may be of two types: primary succession and secondary succession. In primary succession, when the succession starts on the extreme bare area on which there was no previous existence of vegetation, it is called primary succession or pre-sear. This succession starts in the areas of extreme conditions and the process terminates after a long series of intermediate stages. Second one, secondary succession. This type of succession starts on the secondary bare area which once occupied by the process called denudation. This denudation process is brought about by the destructive agencies such as fire, cultivation, strong winds and rains. When the existing vegetation of an area becomes completely destroyed by destructive agents, it becomes naked or bare. Such a bare area is termed denuded area or secondary bare area. The succession progressing on such an area is also termed sub-sear. Secondary succession has fewer stages than the primary succession. The primary and secondary successions may be of the following types: hydrosear, the plant succession which start on the aquatic environment, is called hydrarch. A series of changes taking place in the vegetation of hydrarch is called hydrosear. Second one, halosear. It is special type of sear which begins on salty soil or in saline water. Third one, xerosear. When the vegetational succession develops on xeric or dry habitat, it is called xerarch or xerosear. Xerosear may be of two types: samosear and lithosear. In samosear, it refers to the vegetational succession that begins on the sandy habit. In lithosear, it refers to the succession that occurs on the rock surface. Next is cerule. It refers to the miniature succession of microorganisms such as bacteria and different types of fungi on the fallen logs of decaying wood, tree bark, etc. Irrespective of the types of succession, all the sears generally lead the plant communities towards the climax stage of mesic community, that is mesophytic or mixed mesophytic forest. This is all about the plant succession, causes of succession and types of succession. Thank you.